Hey, welcome to another What's in the Box. I got a package in the mail. So let's open it up and check it out. So what is What's in the Box? It's a channel where I open up art, toys, collectibles, shoes, merchandise, clothes, anything I think is awesome. So let's open this up and check it out. I got this in the mail. What is it? Let's open it up. And I will link all this company's information down in the information in the bottom, the description. What do you think it is? Well, let's open it up and check it out. All right, you guys see it first. We got some shoes. Oh yeah. Bam. Very cool, very cool. Let's check out the design on these shoes. They also do hoodies that match, shirts, hats, very cool stuff. And yeah, check them out. On the front, on the design, very cool. The sides, get a close up. The bottoms, they're kind of giving me little Vans vibes. No laces, slip-ons. I got a 8.5, so hopefully it'll fit me. Very cool, very cool. Like I said, I'll link all their information down below. You can check them out. Hopefully they'll send me some more merchandise, some more matching stuff for these shoes, and we can check them out on my channel. We'll do another little close-up. Very cool. Very cool. Look at these. Let me know what you think of these shoes. Would you rock these? And like I said, they got hats to match, different shades, different colors, you know, different styles of hoodies, different shirts. Yeah, like definitely check them out. All right, let me know what you think in the description. I'll link all their information. I'll put the little QR code right here. So all you got to do is pause the video and scan that with your phone, and it'll take you straight to their Instagram. All right, peace. And one more thing, I'd like to thank this company for sending me out these awesome shoes for my channel.